Question 1. Topic: Healthcare insurance principles. Cost-sharing mechanisms. An individual health insurance plan includes $2,000 deductible, 20% coinsurance, and $6,000 out-of-pocket maximum. If policyholder incurs medical bill of $15,000, how much will they have to pay out of pocket, assuming no previous expenses for the year? A. $2,600. B. $3,800. C. $4,800. D. $6,000. Answer C. $4,800. Explanation. To calculate out-of-pocket expenses deductible, the policyholder must first pay the deductible of $2,000, remaining bill after deductible $15,000. 2,000 is equals as $10,000. Coinsurance. The policyholder is responsible for 20% of the remaining $13,000. 0.20x 13,000 equals 2,600. Total out-of-pocket cost 2,000 deductible plus 2,600 coinsurance, 4,600. Since the out-of-pocket maximum is $6,000, the policyholder won't exceed that limit. Therefore, the total out-of-pocket cost is $4,800. The remaining $10,200 is covered by the insurer. Question 2. Topic: Montana-specific healthcare insurance laws. Mandated benefits and coverage. Which of the following benefits is mandated by Montana state law to be included in all health insurance policies? A. Dental coverage for all children under the age of 18. B. Coverage for mental health and substance abuse treatment. C. Vision insurance for individuals over 65. D. Fertility treatments for individuals under 40. Answer B. Coverage for mental health and substance abuse treatment. Explanation. Montana law mandates that health insurance policies provide coverage for mental health and substance use disorder treatment under the Mental Health Parity and Addiction Equity Act (MHPA). Option A. Dental coverage is not mandated for all children. It may be part of essential health benefits but isn't specifically required by state law. Option C. Vision insurance is typically offered as a separate policy and is not mandated for individuals over 65. Option D. Fertility treatments are not mandated by Montana insurance laws. Under the Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act, PPACA, Montana requires insurers to cover essential health benefits, which include mental health services, but fertility treatments are not part of the mandated list. Question 3. Scenario-based. Topic: Underwriting and premiums. Factors affecting insurability. Mr. Spencer, 45-year-old Montana resident, applies for new health insurance policy. He works as construction worker, has history of high blood pressure, and recently underwent minor surgery for knee injury. He is non-smoker but has family history of heart disease. When underwriting Mr. Spencer's policy, which factor would most significantly impact his health insurance premiums? A. His occupation as construction worker. B. His recent knee surgery. C. His family history of heart disease. D. His high blood pressure. Answer D. His high blood pressure. Explanation. High blood pressure is a chronic condition that poses an ongoing risk to insurers, increasing the likelihood of claims. Underwriters prioritize current health conditions when calculating premiums. Option A. While occupation is considered, its impact is usually more significant in disability insurance rather than health insurance. Option B. The knee surgery may raise a temporary flag, but since it was minor, it is less likely to affect premiums long term. Option C. Family history is considered, but insurers weigh current health conditions more heavily than potential hereditary risks. Montana law prohibits discrimination based on genetic information, meaning insurers cannot deny coverage based solely on family history. However, existing medical conditions such as high blood pressure play a crucial role in premium calculations. Question 4. Topic: Healthcare reform and regulatory framework. Affordable Care Act. Under the Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act, PPACA, which of the following individuals would most likely qualify for premium subsidies when purchasing health insurance plan on the Montana Health Insurance Marketplace? A. Single individual with an income at 400% of the federal poverty level, FPL. B. Married couple with an income at 150% of the FPL. C. An individual earning 500% of the FPL. D. Single individual with an employer-sponsored plan that covers less than 50% of healthcare costs. Answer B. A married couple with an income at 150% of the FPL. Explanation. Under the PPACA, premium subsidies are available to individuals and families with incomes between 100% and 400% of the federal poverty level, FPL. Individuals at 150% of the FPL would qualify for both premium subsidies and cost-sharing reductions. Option A, while 400% of the FPL is the upper limit for subsidies, individuals exactly at that threshold would qualify but may not receive a significant subsidy. Option C, individuals earning above 400% of the FPL are ineligible for premium subsidies. Option D, if an individual has access to affordable employer-sponsored coverage, they are not eligible for marketplace subsidies even if the plan is less comprehensive. The IRS Safe Harbor rule defines affordable coverage as a plan where the employee's contribution for self-only coverage does not exceed 9.12% of their household income in 2023. Question 5. Topic: Healthcare insurance policy cancellation and renewal. Non-renewal provisions. Which of the following is not valid reason for an insurer to non-renew healthcare insurance policy in Montana? A. The policyholder failed to pay premiums. B. The insurer is leaving the Montana healthcare market. C. The policyholder filed too many claims. D. The insurer determined that continuing to provide the policy would violate Montana regulations. Answer: C. The policyholder filed too many claims. Explanation: Montana law prohibits insurers from canceling or non-renewing a policy based on the number of claims filed. Option A. Non-payment of premiums is a valid reason for non-renewal. Option B. Insurers may withdraw from the Montana market, but they must follow state-approved withdrawal procedures and give proper notice to policyholders. Option D. If continuing to provide coverage would result in the insurer violating Montana regulations, the policy can be non-renewed. Question 6. Scenario-based. Topic: Types of healthcare policies. Disability income insurance. Scenario: MS. Peterson, teacher in Montana, has disability income policy with 30-day elimination period and benefit period of 2 years. She suffers back injury that prevents her from working. After 20 days, she files claim with her insurer based on the policy terms when will MS. Peterson start receiving benefits, and for how long will she be eligible to receive them? A. She will start receiving benefits immediately and can receive them for 2 years. B. She will start receiving benefits after 30 days and can receive them for 2 years. C. She will start receiving benefits after 20 days and can receive them for the duration of her disability. D. She will start receiving benefits immediately but only for 1 year. Answer: B. She will start receiving benefits after 30 days and can receive them for 2 years. Explanation: a disability income policy typically has an elimination period, which is the time a policyholder must wait before benefits begin. MS. Peterson's policy has 30-day elimination period, so she will not receive benefits for the first 30 days of her disability. The benefit period is the maximum time she can receive payments, which is 2 years in her policy. Option A, incorrect. Benefits do not start immediately due to the elimination period. Option C, incorrect. The elimination period must be met before payments start. Option D, incorrect. The benefit period is 2 years, not 1 year. Question 7. Topic: Health policy provisions, causes and riders. Reinstatement: if health insurance policy in Montana lapses due to non-payment of premiums, the policyholder may request reinstatement. Under Montana law, what is the time frame within which the insurer must approve or deny the reinstatement application? A. 5 days. B. 10 days. C. 45 days. D. 60 days. Answer: C. 45 days. Explanation: Montana law requires that insurers approve or deny a reinstatement application within 45 days of the request. Option A, incorrect. 5 days is not a recognized reinstatement period. Option B, incorrect. 10 days is the grace period for premium payments in some policies, but not for reinstatement decisions. Option D, incorrect. 60 days exceeds the statutory requirement. If the insurer does not respond within 45 days, the policy is automatically reinstated. However, the policyholder must pay all past due premiums plus interest. Question 8. Topic: Underwriting and premiums. Factors affecting insurability. Which of the following is not typically considered during the underwriting process for health insurance policy in Montana? A. The applicant's occupation. B. The applicant's marital status. C. The applicant's medical history. D. The applicant's age. Answer: B. The applicant's marital status. Explanation: in health insurance underwriting, insurers consider factors that affect the applicant's health risk and potential claims. Factors like occupation, medical history, and age are critical. Option A. Occupation impacts the applicant's risk level. E.g., high-risk jobs may result in higher premiums. Option C. Medical history is primary consideration for determining risk and premiums. Option D. Age is one of the most significant factors in premium calculations. Marital status is typically not relevant to health insurance underwriting except in cases of family plans. Question 9. Topic: Healthcare insurance fraud and abuse. Fraud prevention measures. Which of the following measures is most effective in preventing healthcare insurance fraud? A. Automatic claims approval systems. B. Regular audits and fraud detection software. C. Eliminating prior authorization requirements. D. Extending the claims filing period. Answer: B. Regular audits and fraud detection software. Explanation: Fraud prevention involves implementing measures to identify suspicious claims and prevent fraudulent activities. Option A. Automatic claims approval systems can increase the risk of fraudulent claims. Option C. Eliminating prior authorization could result in unnecessary services being approved. Option D. Extending the claims filing period can increase the opportunity for fraudulent claims. Regular audits and fraud detection software are essential tools in identifying patterns of fraudulent behavior and ensuring compliance with state and federal regulations. Question 10. Topic: Group healthcare insurance. Employer-sponsored plans. Which of the following is requirement for small group health plans in Montana? A. Minimum participation rate of 50% of eligible employees. B. Employer contribution must cover at least 90% of premiums. C. Coverage must be guaranteed issue regardless of employee health status. D. The plan must include vision and dental coverage. Answer: C. Coverage must be guaranteed issue regardless of employee health status. Explanation: Under Montana law and the Affordable Care Act (ACAP), small group health plans must be guaranteed issue, meaning insurers cannot deny coverage based on health status. Option A. Incorrect. Montana does not require a 50% participation rate. Option B. Incorrect. There is no legal requirement for employers to cover 90% of premiums. Option D. Incorrect. Vision and dental are not mandatory in group health plans. Question 11. Topic: Mandatory health benefits. Montana state requirements. In Montana, which of the following health benefits is mandatory for all individual and group health insurance policies to cover? A. Chiropractic services. B. In vitro fertilization treatments. C. Mental health and substance abuse treatments. D. Cosmetic surgery. Answer: C. Mental health and substance abuse treatments. Explanation: Montana requires health insurance policies to cover mental health services and substance abuse treatments under state and federal parity laws. The Mental Health Parity and Addiction Equity Act (MHPA) requires that mental health benefits be treated similarly to physical health benefits. Option A. Chiropractic services may be covered but are not mandatory. Option B. In vitro fertilization is typically not a mandatory benefit in Montana. Option D. Cosmetic surgery is generally excluded unless it is medically necessary. Question 12. Topic: Policy provisions. Grace periods. What is the minimum grace period required by Montana law for health insurance policy when premiums are paid monthly? A. 7 days. B. 10 days. C. 30 days. D. 60 days. Answer: C. 30 days. Explanation: Montana requires a minimum 30-day grace period for health insurance policies with monthly premium payments. This means policyholders have 30 days after the due date to make their payment before the policy is cancelled. Option A. 7 days is the grace period for weekly premium payments. Option B. 10 days applies to other types of insurance policies, but not health insurance. Option D. 60 days exceeds the state-mandated minimum. Question 13. Topic: Underwriting. Pre-existing conditions. Under Montana law, how long can a pre-existing condition exclusion period last for individual health insurance policies? A. 6 months. B. 12 months. C. 18 months. D. Pre-existing condition exclusions are not allowed. Answer: D. Pre-existing condition exclusions are not allowed. Explanation: Under the Affordable Care Act, account insurers are prohibited from applying pre-existing condition exclusions to any individual or group health insurance policies. This rule applies in all states, including Montana. Question 14. Topic: Coordination of benefits. Primary versus secondary coverage. Which of the following statements is true regarding the coordination of benefits (COB) provision? The policy with the earliest effective date is always the primary policy. B. Spouse's policy is always the secondary policy. C. The policyholder's own employer-sponsored plan is typically the primary policy. D. Medicare is always considered the primary payer. Answer: C. The policyholder's own employer-sponsored plan is typically the primary policy. Explanation. Under COB rules, an individual's employer-sponsored plan is typically primary, and any other coverage, such as spouse's plan, is secondary. Option A. The effective date does not determine primary coverage. Option B. Spouse's policy is not automatically secondary. COB rules determine the order. Option D. Medicare is generally secondary if the individual has active employer-sponsored coverage. Question 15. Topic. Network plans. HMOS versus PPOS. Which of the following is key difference between health maintenance organizations, HMOS, and preferred provider organizations, PPOS? A. HMOS require pre-authorization for all services, while POS do not. B. PPOS allow members to see out of network providers, while HMOS generally do not. C. HMOS have lower premiums but higher out-of-pocket costs. D. PPOS do not have deductibles. Answer B. PPOS allow members to see out of network providers, while HMOS generally do not. Explanation. The main difference between HMOS and PPOS is that PPOS allow members to see out of network providers, although at a higher cost, while HMOS typically require members to use in-network providers for coverage. Question 16. Scenario-based. Topic. Claims process. Montana regulations. Mr. Johnson files claim with his Montana health insurer for surgery performed out of network. The insurer denies the claim, stating that prior authorization was not obtained. Under Montana law, what can Mr. Johnson do to challenge the denial? A. File new claim with different insurer. B. Appeal the denial through the insurer's internal appeals process. C. Sue the insurer immediately. D. Request new policy that covers out-of-network care. Answer B. Appeal the denial through the insurer's internal appeals process. Explanation. Montana law requires insurers to provide an internal appeals process for denied claims. If the internal appeal is unsuccessful, Mr. Johnson may pursue an external review. Question 17. Topic. Essential health benefits. Care requirements. Which of the following is not considered an essential health benefit? A. Under the Affordable Care Act. A. Maternity and newborn care. B. Prescription drugs. C. Dental care for adults. D. Mental health services. Answer C. Dental care for adults. Explanation. Under the account, dental care for adults is not an essential health benefit. However, pediatric dental care is considered essential. Question 18. Topic. Long-term care insurance. Policy provisions. Which of the following long-term care insurance provisions is mandatory in Montana? A. Guaranteed renewable clause. B. Return of premium rider. C. Cash value accumulation. D. Waiver of premium. Answer A. Guaranteed renewable clause. Explanation. Montana requires all long-term care policies to include a guaranteed renewable clause, meaning the insurer cannot cancel the policy as long as premiums are paid. Question 19. Topic. Premium determination. Factors affecting rates. Which of the following factors is not permitted to be used by health insurers in Montana when determining premium rates? A. Tobacco use. B. Age. C. Gender. D. Location. Answer C. Gender. Explanation. The Affordable Care Act prohibits health insurers from using gender as a factor in premium determination. However, insurers can consider age, location, and tobacco use. Question 20. Topic. Health Savings Accounts, HSAS. Contribution limits. What is the maximum annual contribution limit for health savings account, HSA, for an individual in 2024? A. $3,850. B. $4,000. C. $7,750. D. $8,000. Answer A. $3,850. Explanation. For 2024, the HSA contribution limit for individuals is $3,850. For families, the limit is $7,750. Individuals over age 55 can make an additional $1,000 catch-up contribution. Question 21. Topic. Small employer health insurance. Montana regulations. In Montana, small employer is defined as business with how many eligible employees? A. 1 to 25 employees. B. 2 to 50 employees. C. 10 to 100 employees. D. 51 to 100 employees. Answer B. 2 to 50 employees. Explanation. In Montana, a small employer is defined as a business with 2 to 50 eligible employees. This classification is important for determining eligibility for small group health insurance plans under state and federal laws. Question 22. Topic: Health insurance consumer protections. Montana law. Which of the following consumer protections is required by Montana law for individual health insurance policies? A. No waiting period for pre-existing conditions. B. Guaranteed issue coverage. C. Unlimited lifetime benefits. D. Mandatory maternity coverage for all policies. Answer: B. Guaranteed issue coverage. Explanation: under Montana law, health insurance policies must be offered on a guaranteed issue basis, meaning insurers cannot deny coverage based on pre-existing conditions or health status. Question 23. Topic: Telemedicine coverage. Montana requirements. Montana law requires health insurers to provide telemedicine coverage that is equivalent to in-person services for which of the following? A. Primary care only. B. Mental health services only. C. Or medically necessary services. D. Emergency services only. Answer: C. All medically necessary services. Explanation: Montana law mandates that health insurers cover telemedicine services at the same rate as in-person services, provided the services are medically necessary. Question 24. Topic: Medicare supplement plans. Montana requirements. What is the open enrollment period for Medicare supplement plans in Montana? A. 30 days after turning 65. B. 6 months after enrolling in Medicare Part B. C. 12 months after turning 65. D. No specific open enrollment period. Answer: B. 6 months after enrolling in Medicare Part B. Explanation: Montana follows federal regulations providing a 6-month open enrollment period for Medicare supplement plans starting from the month the individual enrolls in Medicare Part B. Question 25. Scenario-based. Topic: Claims denial and appeals scenario. MS Harris, a Montana resident, receives a notice from her health insurer denying her claim for a medically necessary surgery. The insurer states the surgery is not covered under her policy. What is her first course of action under Montana law? A. File a complaint with the Montana Insurance Commissioner. B. File a civil lawsuit against the insurer. C. Submit a written appeal to the insurer. D. Contact her employer's benefits manager. Answer: C. Submit a written appeal to the insurer. Explanation: Montana law requires insurers to provide internal appeal processes for denied claims. The first step is to submit a written appeal to the insurer. Question 26. Topic: Policy cancellation. Montana regulations. Which of the following is valid reason for an insurer to cancel health insurance policy in Montana? A. Policyholder develops serious illness. B. Policyholder reaches certain age. C. Non-payment of premiums. D. Policyholder changes jobs. Answer: C. Non-payment of premiums. Explanation: under Montana law, insurers can only cancel a policy for non-payment of premiums, fraud, or misrepresentation. They cannot cancel a policy due to a change in health status or age. Question 27. Topic: Essential health benefits. State requirements in Montana. Pediatric services required as part of the essential health benefits. A. Must include coverage for A. Pediatric, dental, and vision care. B. Pediatric mental health services only. C. Inpatient hospital services only. D. Prescription drugs for children only. Answer: A. Pediatric, dental, and vision care. Explanation: Montana requires health insurance policies to cover pediatric, dental, and vision care as part of the essential health benefits aid mandated by the Affordable Care Act (ACA). Question 28. Topic: Network adequacy. Montana requirements. Montana law requires that health insurers provider networks must meet which of the following requirements? A. Offer provider within 50 miles of any policyholder. B. Include at least 10 primary care providers per county. C. Provide reasonable access to all covered services. D. Have an equal number of in-network and out-of-network providers. Answer: C. Provide reasonable access to all covered services. Explanation: Montana law mandates that health insurance networks provide reasonable access to all covered services, ensuring that policyholders can access care without unreasonable delays. Question 29. Topic: Health insurance exchanges. Montana. Which entity is responsible for operating the health insurance exchange in Montana? A. Montana Department of Insurance. B. Federal Government Healthcare.gov. C. Private insurance companies. D. Montana Health cooperative. Answer B. Federal Government Healthcare.gov. Explanation: Montana does not operate its own state-based exchange. Instead, residents use the federal exchange at healthcare.gov to purchase individual health insurance plans. Question 30. Topic: Ethical considerations. Agent responsibilities. Which of the following is an ethical responsibility of health insurance agent in Montana? A. Maximize commissions by upselling policies. B. Provide accurate and complete information to clients. C. Prioritize the interests of the insurance company. D. Discourage clients from reviewing their policies. Answer B. Provide accurate and complete information to clients. Explanation: Agents have an ethical duty to provide accurate, complete, and transparent information to clients, ensuring that policyholders fully understand their coverage options and rights.